Hello everyone and welcome back to another video of Create. In this video I am going to show you how to make the vending machine Lego puzzle box. This puzzle box looks like a vending machine, so I named it the vending machine Lego puzzle box. The aim of this puzzle box is to retrieve those two cans right there. So let's start solving. The first step is to turn this and take it out. Then you have to push this tile right there, and as you push the tile like this, it pops out from the other side. Then pull it out. Now push this yellow tile inwards, then pull it. Now this slit opens, then insert your tool in the slit and the first can comes out. And keep the can aside. Then you have to take out the second can. So for doing that, as you can see, when I'm running my tool across the wall, nothing's happening right now. So now I'll push this golden brick right there from the corner, and as you can see, it pops out a little bit. Then I'll slide my tool across the wall and another slit opens. And I'm gonna pick up my tool, insert it in the slit, and the second can comes out. It requires a little bit of shaking, and the puzzle is solved. Make sure that you have all these pieces for making the puzzle, so go grab all the pieces and let's start. For making the base, take a 4x4 plate and attach 3 2x6 plates to it. Like this. Press it nicely and the base is ready. Now take a 2x2 tile, a 2x2 slanting brick. Now take 3 2x1 tiles. You can even replace them with a 1x6 tile. Then take a 1x6 brick, take a 2x2 plate and a 2x2 brick, join them like this and place them behind the slanting brick. Then take two 1x6 bricks, place two 1x6 plates over them like this. Now take a 2x6 plate and a 1x6 plate, join them and place them over the 1x6 brick right there. Now take a 2x4 brick, a 2x1 brick, a 1x1 headlight brick. Then take a 1x1 round brick, take two more of those, place them right there as shown. Then take a 2x4 brick, a 1x4, place it on the edge right there. Now take two 2x3 plates, place them on the edge right there. Take a 2x1 plate, take 4 more 2x1 plates, fix them as shown. Like this. Then take a 2x1 tile, now take a 2x1 transparent brick, take a 1x1 brick, a 1x1 round brick, then take a 1x1 plate, place a 1x1 tile over it, then place them over the 2x1 plate. another 1x1 plate, a 1x1 tile, and place it over the 2x1 plate. Then take two 1x1 round bricks, place them right there as cans. Then take a 2x1 plate, a 1x4 plate, place it right there. The 1x4 plate should be with only two studs. Then take a 2x3 brick, a 2x2 plate, 2x1 plate. Then take a 1x1 tile, a 1x1 plate. Take another 1x1 plate and place it on top of the 2x1 plate like this. Now take a 1x3 plate, a golden tile, place it right there on the 2x1 plate. Then take a 2x1, place it right there on top of the 1x4. Take a 1x1, place it on the corner. Now take a 1x4 tile and a 1x1 plate, join them and place them right there. Then place a 1x3 plate over it. Then take a 1x4 tile, place it right there. Now take a 2x3 plate. Then take a 2x6 brick, place a 1x1 plate under it like that. Then take a golden tile, place it on the 1x1 brick right there. Then take the 2x6 brick and place it over there like this. Now take a 2x2 brick, a 2x6 brick, place it right there in the middle. Now take two of these glass pieces, 2x1 glass pieces, place them right there as shown. Now take two 2x2 bricks, place them on the top right there. Then take a 1x4 plate, place it on top of the glass pieces. Then take a 2x2 brick, 3 more, place them as shown. Now take 2x4 slanting pieces like these, place them on the top like that. Now take a 1x6 tile, insert it in the slit right there. Then take a 2x1 plate, place it right there. Take a 2x4 tile, a 2x2 tile, and another 2x4 tile. Place them on the top like that. Then take a 1x4 tile and place it right there. And the puzzle is ready. So as you can see, it looks like a vending machine. If you like this video and found the tutorial helpful, then don't forget to subscribe to Create and like this video. And thanks for watching.